Hello friends, join Bansal Academy for HP-TGT, PGT Commission for Medical, Non-Medical and Arts. Online live classes have been started and there is one question, why to join Bansal Academy? Because Bansal Academy has a reputation of giving excellent results. Now, question was why to focus, why Bansal Academy? So, answer is very simple. First one is focused approach. Bansal Academy will provide you focused approach, where to focus more or where to focus less on the syllabus. This is point one. Second point is discipline and regularity in tests being conducted by Bansal Academy with the comparison and ranking. And third one is we have MCQ practice on exam pattern just to crack the examination. So Bansal Academy will provide you these three things because everybody is providing content, notes and classes, but Bansal Academy will take care of all these: focused approach, discipline and regularity, and MCQ practice on exam pattern to crack the examination. Now what you have to do, you have to just pick up your phone and call for classes, schedule and strategy how to crack the examination. Thank you very much.